Description: potent, leave-in supplement instantly strengthens fragile color-treated hair. Clinically proven to reduce breakage by 50% in just one use. Loaded with protein-building amino acids, B vitamins and sulfur-rich sea kale. Benefits: supplements and restores key internal bonds to strengthen hair, reducing breakage by over 50% in just one use. Suggested use: shake bottle. Pour small amount in hands, smooth through towel-dried hair. Do not rinse. Style blow dry as usual. Bring damaged, brittle, fragile hair back to life with this game-changing leave-in treatment. Activated by the heat of your blow dryer, it infuses hair with blue sea kale, amino acids plus B vitamins to instantly help fortify internal sulfur bonds. The result? Stronger, more resilient strands. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. This product works wonders on my dry, damaged bleached hair.